Okay, so this video is shot in my living room because I do not have proper conditions in my clock room. This is a Dugena mid-century modern mantel clock with a small and round Hermle movement. It has a rectangular case and brass feet and a brass reinforcement plate which the clock stands on. It has a very high-pitched bim-bam striking. Nothing else to be said, so let's go see the movement. I removed the back cover, and this is a Hermle 130-020 made in 1963. Very standard floating balance. Runs for 8 days. Nothing special. There's a similar type of movement that uses a motor rewound time side mainspring, and the striking side is driven by that same motor. So when the clock strikes, the time side is wound up. For some reason, when the back cover is not on, the striking sounds horrible. Well, it's not really that bad, but it vibrates in such a way that simply doesn't sound good. It was worse when I got it, so it fixed itself somehow. Alright, now I'm going to get it out of the case and show the front. Here's the front of the movement. After I got it out of the case, the hour wheel fell off, and I had to mess with this thingy because the rack would hit this locking piece and would not fall on the nail. So I got it sorted, and it's now running fine again. You can see the rack and nail striking system. A nice feature is that this movement allows you to remove the mainsprings first, adding this extra plate, which is quite an interesting feature. And here's the strike side and the time side. It wants to stop because it's not in vertical position. And for seeing the striking side in action, now let me grab it. And that's about it. Here's the original key. The clock is situated up here with my other Mantel clocks, not far away from my big clocks that are in the other side of the room. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave a like, and see you next time.